How to add your bank account to TikTok on Android. This tutorial shows you how to link your bank details to your TikTok account quickly and easily. First, open the TikTok app on your Android device. After that, tap on your profile icon at the bottom right of the screen. From there, tap on the three lines at the top right to open the menu. In the next step, tap on Balance or Withdrawal to open your payment settings. Following this, tap on your balance and select three dots in the top right and select Payout Methods. Once done, select Bank Transfer from the list of available payment options. From there, fill in your bank details, including your account number and routing number in the fields provided. At this stage, double-check all the details are correct before proceeding. Any mistakes could cause issues with your withdrawals. And that's it. If this guide helped you add your bank account to TikTok, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.